You're ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
On the bike.
He's on a bike. Which one you want to do? Come on.
I can carry myself.
Yeah, you can. Of course. Good job. You're doing exercise. You can go all the way there and come back. Go.
What about me?
Do you want to drive? Hello. Hello, hello. Do you want to push? You sure? Hello, hello. No, you can't drive without helmet.
No, but why Christian did?
No, Christian didn't drive without helmet. He didn't drive at all.
In my car, that.
You are? Yeah, like keep going. Keep going.
My shoes.
Oh my god.
Water.
Oh, where's your shoes?
Feel it fast.
Are you done?
No.
Ready for another
Not yet.
big push?